is up? It is your girl Tiffany, and I am back with another video. And as you can see, your girl is up in the kitchen today. So I'm excited about this video because I'm partnering with EveryPlate, sharing with you some healthy alternative options for going out to eat or even having to go to the grocery store because you're gonna have your meals delivered to your front door. Y'all like that rhyme? But anyways, guys, if you're interested in seeing what I'm gonna be whipping up in the kitchen, please stay tuned. All right, guys, so like I mentioned, I'm gonna be partnering with EveryPlate for this particular video, and I do have a discount code that I will post somewhere in this video that you can definitely take advantage of, as well as a link for you to be able to click and go right to their website if you're interested in getting your own meals. So, and I'm excited about this partnership because we all know that the COVID cases are definitely spiking up. So you definitely want to kind of chill, stay at home, and this is certainly an alternative for you without having to get out and either go get takeout, dining in, or even having to go to the grocery store. And I like that they have the convenient delivery options on Wednesdays and Fridays, so you can actually select when you want your meals delivered to you. I like that they offer 3 weeks of meals for only $2.99. So I can be saving some coin. And I also like the fact that you can cater it to if you want a 2-person meal or a 4-person meal. So this is definitely something cute for those little cute couples. You know, you're dating, you trying to impress him, girl. Like you really whipping up something in the kitchen. Get you a EveryPlate box, girl. And for me as a mom on the go, I do not have time to be slaving in nobody's kitchen. So I like that all of these meals are 35 minutes or less to prepare, and then there's only a 10-minute prep time for all the meals. So this is perfect for me. And they also have a convenient app for you to be able to make your selections a little bit easier, and you can do it on the go. So we're gonna open up this box and see what is inside. I can tell you it is pretty heavy. It is pretty heavy, so we're gonna go ahead and see what's in it. All right, let's see what's in this EveryPlate box. What we got? Hey, let me move that tape out the way. Hey, because you messing up my font way. Hey. All right, we about to chop and screw this box open. All right. I do see 3 meal options here. Vietnamese chicken and rice bowl. And they got the cute little picture, you know, showing you what your meal should look like. What it should look like, girl. It should look like this. Then we have creamy rajas quesadillas. Quesadillas. So this one. And then we have the caramelized onion burgers with horseradish aioli, and carrot fries. So you ain't getting no real fries, you're gonna get some carrot fries. So again, going on the more healthier options I see here. And it does mention to download our app, pick your meals, schedule deliveries, and more. So I'll definitely leave the link for that. But I like that it gives tips on the back as well as the step-by-step instructions. And for those that like pictorials, those that are visual learners, it has pictures for you so you can see what your steps should look like. So not only can you read it, but you should be able to see it, right? So this is first thing I see. I also see some kind of insulation here. You open this up, so the box is fully insulated. So you're not gonna receive any spoiled or rotten food, guys. It's very well insulated. It does come with some ice packs, and these are recyclable. And then, let's see, this is the first pack that I see. Like there's some mayo, soy sauce, sour cream. So all the things, I see some cheese in here, a little bit of everything. Then, okay. Then we got the veggies. So this is just like grocery store stuff right up in here. So let's take a look at here. We got, what are these chilies? Poblano. So you know I ain't no chef. We got that. We have some additional cheeses here. We got the rice. Some more cheese. We got your 4 potato buns for the burger. We got your carrots. And then we got, like, what is these, zucchinis? Don't get me lying. Persian cucumbers here. Then we have our tomatoes. I know what these are. These are tomatoes. I see some lime here. Some lime, some red onions, some garlic. These are your tortillas. Some white onion or yellow onion, whatever you call it. That's yellow onion. And some more carrots. So you got all the grocery store fixes you need right here. And then here is our meat. So we got chicken breast strips right here. And then we have ground beef, 85% lean, 15% fat. So, and then it also has another ice pack at the bottom. So your stuff is definitely cold and it's ready. All right, guys, so I did decide to do the caramelized onion burgers. I actually let the kids decide what they wanted to eat, and this is what they decided upon. As you can see, there's 35 minutes for it to be ready and 10 minutes in prep time. And it lists all the things that you will need. The carrots, the yellow onion, garlic, potato bun, ground beef, mayonnaise, and wasabi. And you also need some kosher salt, black pepper, sugar, butter, and vegetable oil. And on the back, it gives you the instructions. So I've just preheated my oven to 425, and I'll begin to wash and peel the onions and the carrots and all that stuff. So let's get into it. All right, so like I said, I'll start off by cleaning my veggies. Once I have done all of the carrots, I will take them and peel them, and then I will cut them up into French fry like strips. Then moving on to the onions, I absolutely hate cutting onions because not only do I tear up a little bit, but then my fingers start to smell like onions for like a couple days. So I'll chop it up, slice it up, and with a medium to low heat skillet, I will add some extra virgin olive oil and add in the chopped onions. And I will sprinkle in some salt and some pepper on both sides, and then just continue to cook down the onions till they are like a light brown color. Now moving back over to the carrots, I'll put them in a bowl, add some extra virgin olive oil to them, some more salt and pepper, and I will mix it up just to get them all evenly coated. And I decided to actually use my air fryer instead of my oven. So I went to my air fryer and put it on for 20 minutes, put a thin layer on at the bottom, and I allowed those to cook. Now moving back over to the onions, now I added my water and my sugar to start the caramelization process. So I'm caramelizing them, getting them cooked down, and I'll put them in a little bowl and set them to the side. Now moving on to the meat, the star of the show. So taking the ground beef and putting it into, balls, and then forming it into meat patties, adding some salt and pepper on both sides. And then I will just cook them probably like 5 minutes on both sides because I like mine like really well done. Now it's time for the aioli sauce. I added in my mayo. Now I'm chopping up my garlic and adding some of that and a little pinch of the wasabi sauce. I'll set that to the side after I mix it up. Now it's time to pull out those sweet potatoes. I mean, my carrots, guys, they do look like sweet potatoes. But anyways, now it's time to move over to the buns. So I did slice them in half. I'm adding some butter, and I'm going to allow the buns to toast in the oven for like 4 to 5 minutes. Voila. So now it's time to plate because your girl is hungry. So I'm adding in my aioli sauce. Then I'm going to put my meat patty on along with the caramelized onions. And then, you know, just get my plate ready to serve. Alright guys, so I have finished my meal, my caramelized onion burger from EveryPlate. Voila! It smells really, really, really good. So hopefully it tastes just as good as it smells. Your girl was in here slaving in this kitchen, y'all. But guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to use my discount code that I will have in the video as well as down below in the description box. If you've tried EveryPlate, let me know your thoughts on it. What were some of your favorite meals? And if you like to see this kind of content, definitely thumbs up. So thank you all as always for watching. Take care, God bless, and peace out. Your girl about to grill, okay? All right. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. This burger is really freaking good. Okay. Okay, EveryPlate. All right, now skedaddle. Go on now. Your girl about to grill.